Anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Human trafficking, a silent war against humanity, demands our collective voice and action. Words said by Martin Luther King Jr. Good afternoon to every human being out there. Today marks Human Trafficking Awareness Day, a moment to shed light on plight of those who are trapped in the shadows of modern-day slavery. I want to address a pressing issue that affects countless lives around the globe: human trafficking. This heinous crime preys on the vulnerability of individuals, stripping them of their basic rights and dignity. Human trafficking is a grave violation of human rights, exploiting men, women, and children for forced labor, sexual exploitation, and various other forms of abuse. It thrives in the shadows, fueled by poverty, inequality, and desperation. Today, Sambhuja and Durga of Class 11C will demonstrate how to defend ourselves. If someone grabs your wrist, instructions. Step 1. Make sure you have a good balance. Step 2. Loosen your wrist by turning your wrist upwards. Step 3. Retract with force and quickly grab the attacker's wrist and push them away. Demonstration 2. When someone attacks your neck. Instructions. Step 1. Make sure you have a good balance. Step 2. Grab the attacker's wrist. Step 3. Whack the attacker's elbow and pull them quickly, making them unbalanced. Step 4. Grab them around their abdomen and smash. Demonstration 3. Imagine the attacker pulls your hair. Instructions. Step 1. Make sure you have a good balance. Step 2. Block the attack using your arms. Step 3. Pull the attacker, making them unbalanced. Step 4. Quickly tangle their legs and smash them to the ground. As a society, we must unite to combat this scourge. Awareness, education, and support for organizations working against human trafficking are crucial steps. Let us stand together against this injustice, advocating for a world where every person is free, valued, and treated with the respect they deserve. As we gather here, let us unite in our commitment to raising awareness, fostering understanding, and collectively working towards eradicating this heinous crime. Thank you.